Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design wheel rim in SolidWorks like this. Okay, just start it. First, open here, click New, click Part, and click OK. For background, I change in plain white. We start from front plane, right click and click Sketch. And in here, we use a millimeter unit, so click millimeter gram second. Then draw a center line like this. This to this in here, and set for dimension this center line have high in 270 millimeter or high, and draw line like this, sorry, this, this, is this, and this like this. Set for in here, I set for this one is 4 millimeter for the length this line, and set for angle in here I set in 67 degree for example, and this is set in 23 millimeter. Okay, then this line and this edge line have 145 degree in here. Same is sorry about that, we can do just here. Okay, we can do trim entities. Can draw line like this and draw connect again this line at this point to this point. For the angle, we can to make same is 145 degree like this. And for this length is set in 60 millimeter. For the total length, this line to this length as set in 320 millimeter. Sorry, like this we can draw. We can draw the line like this. Ensure this point and this point click make horizontal like this. Draw like this. Then for this point and this point click make horizontal too. This point and this point click make horizontal. We can to set for this line and this line. For the height I set in maybe in 10 millimeter like this. Then this line and this line, sorry, this point and this point I set in 15 millimeter like this. So after that, we just to make sketch like this, we just to click offset entities. Sorry, in here I forget this line and this line. We want to make like before is 67 degree like this. So just click offset entities. For parameter we can change in 2.5 millimeter for example. Click left click and drag in here and click reverse direction. Ensure we connect this line with click cap end and click lines. Just click OK. Then click feature and click revolve boss. For axis of revolution, click this center line. Just click OK. And It's simple like this. So click front plane again, right click and click sketch. Draw in here, draw style spline like this, and draw from this point to this, to this, this, and this like this. For example, this point and this point, click make horizontal and set for dimension. For distance in here, I set in 40 millimeter. This point to this point, I set distance in 35 millimeter. This point to this point, I set in 25 millimeter, and this point to this point, I set in sorry, we can I set for this point and this point, I set in 250 millimeter. Sorry, it's too big. Maybe it's 190. It's still big. I set in 90 millimeter for distance. Like this. I think enough. The center is 90 millimeter. So in here I use distance or unit for just for example. It's not standard, but I want to show you how to design a wheel rim in SolidWorks step by step like this. Then set for the dimension. Right, click smart dimension again. This point to this point, I want to set in 90 millimeter distance, and this point to this center of the part, set in 150 millimeter. Then this point to this point, sorry, set dimension. This point and this point is set in 170 millimeter like this. So after that, make a line, draw a line like this and this. Click smart dimension. The length is 20. The length is 220 millimeter, and for the line is high, I set in 70 millimeter like this. So after that, click this display style and click hidden lines visible. Click convert entities for this edge, this edge, this edge. Just click OK and connect the line in here, this point, and connect this point to this edge. And click 3-point arc, draw from this point to this point. Set the dimension in here. For example, I reduce in 120 millimeter for radius like this, and click again in here, display style inset with edge. Just click feature, click revolve boss again, axis revolution, and click this line. For axis revolution, click this line. Just click OK like this. Then click this face. We can see again like this, the part. Right click on this face and click sketch. Draw a circle in here. The diameter in here I set in 170 millimeter, example, and go to feature, click extrude cut. For direction is blind, as for deep set in 200 millimeter, or for deep like this. Then click this face and click sketch. Draw circle again, set the dimension. The circle have diameter 60 millimeter, and go to feature, click extrude cut again. Direction we change in through all, just click OK, like this. So after that, you want to make new plane, go to feature and click reference geometry, click plane, reverse reference, click right plane, and the distance is 100, but I want to make in here, so click flip offset, just click OK. We just to make the plane name is the plane 1. Right click on the new plane, click sketch, and draw circle again in here for in here, sorry, for diameter in here I set in 30 millimeter, and for distance the center of the circle of and the center is 55 millimeter, like this. Then just click extrude cut. Direction we can change in blind in here, and we can do reverse direction, but in here for dip I want to change in 65 millimeter, like this. Just click OK, and click again the plane 1, click edit sketch, click sketch, make click offset entities, click this edge. For parameter we change in 5 millimeter, reverse direction to in dip, and click OK. Click feature and click extrude cut. Direction is through all, reverse direction, just click OK, like this. So after you want to make part like this, we just click feature and click circular pattern. For feature and face, click here and click cut extrude 3 and cut extrude 4. Direction, click sorry, click this face. Number of instance is 5 and click OK. This, and edit again plane 1, right click and click sketch. Here we can to check for this edge with evaluate and measure. This edge is in here have diameter 4 in here. We can check in diameter in here is 482 millimeter. So we want to make a circle, but a little from here, more a little here. So just edit plane 1 again and make a circle. Click sketch and click circle in here. Edit the circle in here. The diameter is 480 millimeter, like this. Can check in here, evaluate, measure, ensure you want to draw in here the less from here. The diameter is 400, diameter is 482. So we just to make in here 480 millimeter for diameter. Then sketch, make a center line in here. Draw center line this to this, and draw center line again this point to the circle. Set for angle to center line. For example, in here I set in 25 degree, and draw circle here. Diameter in here is 30 millimeter, and for distance here, this point to this point I set in 105 millimeter, and draw 3-point arc, this circle to this circle in here. Ensure this arc and this circle, click Ctrl and hold and click make tangent, and smart dimension again, this point to the center line I set in 40 millimeter, and in here for radius I set in 800 millimeter. Click mirror entities, click this arc and mirror about, click the center line, just click OK and draw circle again. Set for the diameter same like before, 30 millimeter. Then this point to this in here I set for this in 160 millimeter, like this. Draw 3-point arc again, draw from this circle and this circle. Ensure this arc and this circle, click Ctrl and click make tangent. Like before, set dimension, but in here the distance I set in, you can to delete here. You can repeat this point and this point I set for distance in 30 millimeter, and for here set for radius in 800 millimeter. Click mirror entities again, click this arc and mirror about, click this center line, just click OK and trim entities, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this circle and this line, like this. Just click feature and click extrude cut, like this, and for direction is through all but reverse direction to here, like this. Just click OK. Like this. We can to hide the plane one, click hide. We can to apply a fillet in here. Fill parameter we can change in 3. Click this face. Later, click this face. Sorry. We can to edit in here the fillet for 3 millimeter. This. Sorry, this edge. Sorry, can clear selection. This edge and this edge. Sorry. Click this edge and this edge, this edge and this edge, and click this edge. Sorry. Click this edge and this edge. Just click this edge. Like this, just click OK. We can do edit fillet again in here. Maybe in here is 1 millimeter, just, and this edge, and this edge. Just click OK. After that, we can to like make in here, hole in here, use linear scroll pattern. Sorry, direction. Click this face, and for feature and fillet, click fillet 2, fillet 1, and extrude cut extrude 5. In here, number instance change in 7. Just click OK. Okay, just a minute. We can to wait until, oh sorry, in here. Okay. The fillet we can to delete. Yes. Yes, a click. And then like this. We can apply fillet manually in here. Click this edge. Click this face. This face. This face. This face. And this face. This face and this face. Click again this face and this face. In 3 millimeter, it's Just click this face and this face. Just click OK. Like this. In 3mm. Sketch again, fillet again. Apply for this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this face. Sorry. Just this edge. Like this. Just click OK. And it's so simple like this. We can to change the appearances in here. The material, right click and edit in here. We can click the cast alloy steel and done. We can to see the section view like this, and we can to see again the full part like this. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you very much for watching until the end video. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Thank you for watching until the end video. See you in the next tutorial.